Right, so hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix Battlefield 6 crashes on EA launcher. Okay, so I don't have Battlefield 6 installed here because this is my virtual machine, but I'm going to use the game's Kate as a decoy. Okay, so just imagine this is Battlefield 6. Okay, we are going to click on the three dots, go into view properties. Okay, then from there you're going to click on open folder right here. Following that, you're going to scroll down until you find a app here that says BF6. Okay, right click on that and then go into properties. Okay, in properties, go to compatibility tab and check for run this program in compatibility mode, disable full screen and run this program as an administrator. Make sure this tree is checked. Okay, click on apply, click on OK, and then you're going to copy this right on top here. Copy this, you're going to close this window, and then you're going to go into graphics settings. Okay, right here, graphics settings. Okay, in here, let me make this full screen. You're going to click on add desktop app. Okay, after you click that, just click on this navigation bar here and paste the path that you copied and click on enter. Okay, here your BF6 app should show, so just click on that and click on add. Okay, so once it's added, you can see it here. Just click on this arrow down here, and this, the GPU preference, make sure to select your graphics driver. Since I'm using a VM, the graphics driver doesn't show here, but if you have an NVIDIA card or an AMD card or an Intel card, just click on that. Okay, and then yeah, basically that's about it. So you can close this, restart your PC, and try to launch the game, and it should work fine. So that's all for this video, guys. If you have any other problems, any other issues, please put them in the comments below, and I think that's about it. So thanks for watching, folks.